life is a journey. It is the memories you make and the challenges you take. That make you who you are. But now more than ever, it becomes clear that, in fact, all roads lead to home. Even though you might think that life is taking you to a whole different world, one day you realize that the most valuable thing is to return home.
L'azienda era chiusa, quindi la produzione non funzionava, gli uffici erano quasi tutti chiusi, eravamo in poche persone.
Qual è il cambiamento che è avvenuto in Italiane Membrane entrando a far parte di TECHNONICOL? Allora, la realtà che conoscevamo noi e che poi è comune anche a tutti i concorrenti è quella di un'azienda mediamente piccola che si rivolge al mondo. Quando tu entri a far parte di una multinazionale che è strutturata, è come se tu entrassi in un'automobile che ha una marcia in più.
I risultati sono quelli che dopo 6 anni l'azienda è ritornata sul mercato, adesso appartiene alle prime 10 aziende italiane, mentre le altre aziende del settore o rimangono stabili o hanno un leggero calo. Noi ogni anno riusciamo a crescere in doppia cifra e quindi questo è stato il frutto del lavoro dei manager italiani in collaborazione con il supporto dei manager russi.
The new reality of the world hit us hard. It showed us how fragile the world is and how safe your home can be. Home is not just the walls. Home is where your family is. It is where you feel connected to your ancestors, where you know you can't let down and you look for opportunities to continue building the legacy.
Mein Urgroßvater hat die Firma Börner 1882 gegründet und da selber, ich sag mal, derjenige zu sein, in der Generation Firmenanteile anderes Unternehmen zu verkaufen, ist natürlich emotional nicht so einfach, weil man ja letztendlich auch einen Teil seiner Familiengeschichte weitergibt oder weggibt.
Firma TECHNONICOL hat das Werk Berner im Jahr 2016 übernommen. Das Wichtigste war die Denkweise der Leute, dass wir zusammen stark sind und dass wir zusammen eine bessere Zukunft haben. Die 2 wichtigsten Investitionen, die waren in der Produktionsanlage, wo wir schon mehr als 1 Million Euro investiert haben.
Man sieht eigentlich auch sehr stark die positiven Veränderungen, dass hier doch auch, ich sag mal, doch was geändert wurde und wir da auf dem richtigen Wege sind.
Our world is huge, and exploring it is a real pleasure. But the true happiness lies in knowing that you have a home to come back to.
I think for the UK, they have a phrase, "My home is my castle," and that's good for us. In terms of our products, we provide more security. The major changes since TECHNONICOL acquired the business have been the investment program that we have implemented. We have invested 40 million euros in the factory here, but generally these are not the hugely important things for me. It's the impact it's had upon our people and their ability to grow and develop, and the enthusiasm and the passion that they feel for the company, I think, has significantly improved. The investment here has safeguarded and invested in many jobs here in the centre of Scotland, and that's why the First Minister was interested to come. Now it's natural for our staff. They feel part of the family. They're proud to be part of Superglass, but they're also proud to be part of TECHNONICOL.
In today's world, coming home is not only an act of return, but also a chance to revive your life. And in that moment, it is important to have a strong shoulder to lean on. Someone you could trust. Someone who could follow you along your journey. When the whole world and thousands of roads are in front of you, which one would you choose to follow next? Would you choose to follow the trodden path, or to bravely step into the unknown? It is then when you will make up your mind to build from the ground up and start a new history to be independent. Taste the new life and build a new home. For TECHNONICOL, home is more than just a country. Our home is where houses are built using TECHNONICOL's materials. And that means that our home is a lot more than half of the world.